Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a place where you can make $50 to your PayPal account over and over and over again. Alrighty, so you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and we're going to jump right on into that video here right now. Alrighty guys, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, a website. And if this is your first time here to my videos, what we do here is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to bring financial and time freedom into your lives as much as we can to help you out regularly. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started into this video here today. What we're going to do is we're going to come right over here to this website right here. You see this website, it's called Remotasks right here. You can see it, and it's up here in the address bar, Remotasks.com. It's a website here. It's just to make money doing tasks. It's sort of similar to, I think it's Amazon's, what do they call it, micro workers or something like that, with Amazon. Amazon Turk, Mechanical Turk, that's what it is. And there's another one that's called Micro Workers as well. This is sort of similar to that in the fact that you can do all kinds of tasks, but only this site, I think, pays a little bit better money than Amazon Mechanical Turk or the other one, Micro Workers as well. So it's easy to get signed up. It's free. You just click on the sign up button there, and you can sign up with your Facebook account right here, and make sure you click the I agree to terms. What you can do, and you can even learn more about it here. And they have a little bit of a video thing going on right here about it. And then it comes down here and it talks about how it works here. You can tag images, transcribe audio, moderate contact, and we have many interesting tasks for you to do. And the only thing required is being fluent in the English language. So I think this is available worldwide, but you just want to be able to make sure that you can speak a fluent English language. And then you can get started here by signing up here as well. Now, pretty much easy to do right here. You can see it's just basically come over, get signed up, just connect to Facebook, and then learn, get certified in all sorts of task categories, and then do tasks in categories you've unlocked, and then get paid, earn money, and get paid weekly with PayPal. So there you go. You guys want to make sure that you have a PayPal account. If you don't, it's easy enough to sign up. Just go over to paypal.com, and I'll just bring that right up here now and show you. Paypal.com, just put that in your address bar, come over, and it's easy enough to sign up for free right here and get a free account. Now, it would be recommended to do the email address that you sign up with PayPal would be the same email address you want to use on this site when you get signed up if it asks you for an email address. Some of the tasks that you can do here, they have a wide variety of tasks. These are just a few examples. Most focus on providing human insight into text, video, and images. And you can see here, like image annotation, just draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. As you can see how easy that is, just drawing a line around that car, that picture right there, and that's all you have to do. It's just that simple. And then categorization, help identify keywords that describe images, like what's in an image, and so on and so forth. And then OCR, image transcription, transcribe important content from an image. These tasks look pretty easy, guys, that you can get in and do this fairly easy here, no doubt. Comparisons, draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. Audio transcription, transcribe voice recordings for people to read. And then data collection, search the web and collect data about anything. And then they have a community here. You can join a vibrant community of people using Remotasks to achieve their dreams together. And then you can see some of the testimonies here of people. And then we come down here to frequently asked questions here. And if someone says, how do I get more tasks? You can take exams. In other words, they have like what's called the Remotask University right down here. And if I click on that, open that up, we can sort of take a look at that. Now you got to sign in first or whatever to do that. But they do have the Remotask University, and I'll get to that here in a moment. And we allow you to take exam 3 times, so don't worry if you make a few mistakes the first time. And then what if I'm confused about certain tasks? We have an active online community where you can get help with that, like I pointed out up here. And do I have to work a minimum number of hours to get a payout? There is no minimum to get paid each week. So there's no minimum hours. This is not an employee type thing. You're not having to be to work at any time. This is completely on your own, when you want, where you want, whatever time you want to do this. And it says, how do I withdraw my earnings? Well, like I told you guys, it says, after signing up, please be sure to add a PayPal email on your profile. And it says if you don't have one, you can click the link. They got the PayPal link there, just like I showed you a moment ago as well, too. It says, do we have to pay to use the platform? Of course not. We don't charge for working on our platform. However, there is a 2% PayPal transaction fee per payout. So that's going to be a PayPal fee, 2% of whatever your amount is. It says, what happens after in-person boot camp training? It says, after completing your training, you'll be able to make your own schedule and work from home. We recommend that you work at least 20 hours a week or more. So please be sure you have a working laptop, PC, or PC with at least 4 gigs of RAM. So you're not going to be able to do this on a cell phone, guys. You're going to need to be on your computer to do this with. What if I get an error when trying to sign up? How do I sign up for the in-person boot camp? To sign up for in-person boot camp, please go and fill out this form right here. Yeah, here we go. Remotasks Philippines boot camp sign up. So this site is based over in the Philippines apparently, and you just fill this form out right here, and then you can get signed up for the university and start going through the boot camp. And it says once you fill out the form, create an account on Remotask using your Facebook account. Once in your account, you'll be able to start taking courses and exams at Remotask University, and then you can start earning within 1 hour of signing up to this site and learning how to do these tasks. So apparently these tasks are very easy to do. They're just telling you basically how they want you to do it. And what will I actually do during the in-person boot camp training? Takes 10 days. We'll be training you on different scenarios, and after training, be able to properly complete these tasks at home. And we have a variety of tasks that we highly encourage. Segment annotation tasks, since those tend to pay the most and have a steady supply of work. Here it talks about, like I told you, the mobile. They recommend you stay on a computer rather than a mobile phone. Do all kinds of tasks in different places here. It talks about trying to speed up through this, guy, so I don't take up so much of your time here. And how do I do a task? Once you create your account, you'll be able to start taking courses and exams. You can start earning after passing your first exam. And it says, how do we earn? You're paid per accepted task. The amount paid will vary depending on the task complexity, and we will pay you via PayPal every Friday, it says right here on Friday. So please be sure to have PayPal email in your account before Monday to be eligible to receive your payout the following Friday. And we have thousands of taskers working on our platform that get paid every week. And under here, will I really get paid? And then it says here, how do we as workers help your company by doing these tasks? Our vision is to accelerate the development of artificial intelligence applications, and we do this by providing high quality training data to AI companies. Our biggest market is the self-driving car space. That's pretty cool. Your tasks are in fact helping create self-driving vehicles. How about that? That's pretty cool. The work that you'll be doing on this site helps the improvement of self-driving vehicles. That's kind of interesting to me anyway. Sounds pretty interesting. And then basically you can just start earning from home today and just click on the sign up and get started with Remotasks today. Now, let me just check out some of the pros and cons of this. I wrote down some of the pros and cons of working for this particular company. As you can see here, some of the pros are there's no selling. You don't have to do any selling. There's a $5 minimum PayPal payout. So you got to have $5 in your PayPal account before you can request a payout. But I would guess that with the amount of work that's going on, you'll make past that pretty quick. And there's always lots of work to be done on this site, so you'll never run out of things to do to make money. And then some of the cons are, it's about $3 an hour is about what you're going to make. About $3 an hour. And it's not a passive income thing, and you certainly are not going to get rich doing this kind of work on Remotasks. So those are some of the pros and the cons of working at Remotasks here. If you really want to start, making big money online working from home, what I recommend is affiliate marketing. That's what I'm into, is affiliate marketing. And you want to have your own online business if you really want to make the high ticket sales. And what I recommend is of course, my #1 recommended platform that you see there at the top of your video where it says Mentor with Kev. What you can do, if you click on Mentor with Kev down there in the top of my description, and you come over and check out my #1 platform, you have to sign up on my mailing list, come through the back, and then you'll see this page right here. And it's with Legendary Marketer, and the $250 million man himself, Dave Sharp, has just created a brand new book called The Copywriter's Playbook for 2020. And if you're going to be successful in any type of affiliate marketing or any marketing, you want to be very good at copywriting. That is, copywriting is the most sought after skill in online marketing or online business today. Without that, you're not going to have very many sales, okay? Well, anyways, you can get the Copywriter's Playbook and 5 bonuses right here. This tells a little bit about what's inside the book right here. And here's the bonuses, the 5 bonuses: Dave's copywriting cliff notes, headline email swipe file, client formula, hot seat critiques, and sales letters, email ad, webinar templates from his $250 million course and coaching business. And the best business bonus of all on this is the 15-day online business builder challenge that will help you get set up. And even another bonus on top of that is that you even get your own personal coach, who is a 7-figure marketer in affiliate marketing, who will help you set up a business of your choice. I mean, even if it's in digital marketing, which is e-commerce, and which is like drop shipping, like Shopify type of thing, if that's what you're interested in doing, or if you're interested in doing affiliate marketing with like ClickBank or JVZoo or Amazon, or any kind of affiliate marketing that you want to do, Legendary Marketer's 15-day online business builder challenge will help you set that up in 15 days with all the education and the tools and the knowledge of how to work those tools to help you be successful in just a 15-day period of time, but with your coach. And they'll get you set up in whatever affiliate business or e-commerce business you want, and the education to help you succeed in it as well. Look what the cost of it is, guys, right here. It's only $1. You can get started for $1. And yes, there's a 30-day money-back refund on that $1 if you don't think that this platform is, or you get enough value, I should say, for that $1 to help you get your affiliate marketing business up online, where you can make some real money, way, way, way more money than what you would do here at Remotasks.com. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you have any comments or questions or anything, leave them down there in the comments section below, and I'll get back with you on that. And I'm going to let you guys go with that. Make sure to come over and hit mentorwithkev.com if you want to set up an affiliate marketing business or an e-commerce business of your own in about 15 days for just $1. And I'll let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.